Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to clean install the latest version of iOS. Before doing a clean install, I strongly recommend first updating your phone through software update. Let's start by upgrading your phone first. Go to Settings, General, and then Software Update. At the bottom, tap Upgrade to iOS 26. Then tap Update Now. Read and agree the terms and conditions. Once the download is complete, tap Install Now. When your phone restarts, swipe up at the welcome screen, enter your password and PIN if you have one, and then tap Continue. Your phone may ask you a few questions about your preferences. At this point, iOS 26 is installed, but it has been upgraded on top of your previous iPhone. What we want though is a brand new iPhone experience. So after you tap Get Started, it's time to back up your iPhone. I personally prefer using iCloud to sync all my data, including photos, files, and app data. But keep in mind, this is not the same as an iCloud backup. When you use iCloud backup, it restores everything exactly as it was and puts it back on your phone. Instead, I just sync my data with iCloud and then retrieve it after a clean install. For everything else, I like to set things up manually for a fresh start. But it's totally up to you which method you prefer. Just make sure you don't forget to back up your data first. Before we start the clean install, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and scroll all the way down to Stolen Device Protection. If it's activated, turn it off. Keep in mind, you may need to wait 1 hour before you are able to turn it off if you are not in a familiar location or if you are selected requires security delay always. In my case, I had to wait 1 hour and went back to Stolen Device Protection and turned it off. After turning it off, you can go ahead and disable Find My. In Settings, tap your name at the top. Then tap Find My and switch it off. You'll be asked for your iCloud credentials, enter them and tap Turn Off. We are ready to go. Now we need a restore image for our phone. If you are a registered developer, open developer.apple.com. If not, you can find it online, just search for it. Click Develop and then select Downloads. Click View More. At the top of the page, you'll see iOS 26 Restore Image Set. Click View Downloads, then click Download Restore Images. Select the correct version for your iPhone model. A file with an ipsw extension will start downloading right away. Once the download is complete, plug your iPhone into your Mac and open the Finder. On the left-hand side of the Finder window, you'll see your iPhone listed. Click on it to continue. Your iPhone may ask if you trust this computer, tap Trust. As soon as you tap Trust on your iPhone, it will automatically start backing up your iPhone. Like I mentioned before, I prefer iCloud Sync, so I'll stop the backup here. Now you'll see a Restore iPhone button. Hold down the Option key on your keyboard, then click Restore iPhone. This will let you use the ipsw file you downloaded. Select the Restore image, then click Open. As soon as you click Restore, everything on your iPhone will be erased, including iOS, and restored with the ipsw file. Do not unplug your iPhone from your Mac. Just wait until the process is fully completed. When it's done, click OK. Your iPhone will then appear again in the left-hand panel of the Finder. From here, you can go ahead and set up your iPhone with the way you prefer. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.